Good morning, children. Our today's topic is where does photosynthesis takes place. So, if this question is asked to you, you will also answer that photosynthesis takes place in the green leaf green plants, and then the green leaf. And in the green leaf, the chloroplast is the main cell organelle where do the photosynthesis takes place. So green leaf can be considered as the organ, and chloroplast are the cell organelle where do the photosynthesis takes place. So before discussing the structure of the chloroplast and the function of the chloroplast, we should see the location of the chloroplast, that where are they located in the green leaf. So here is the structure, internal structure of the green leaf. This is upper epidermis, this is lower epidermis, and in between our upper and lower epidermis, these are the mesophyll cells. These mesophyll cell can be divided as palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. These palisade parenchyma are very rich in chloroplast, and the photosynthesis mainly takes place in the palisade parenchyma only, because here the large number of chloroplasts are present which align themselves along the walls of the mesophyll cells of palisade parenchyma. Okay, and here only the light is received by the chlorophyll which is present in the chloroplast. So this is about the location of the chloroplast. Now we will here observe the structure of the chloroplast. The chloroplast is bounded by this double membrane, that is outer and inner membrane. The matrix of the chloroplast is called as stroma. This stroma has two types of these sac-like structures which are called as grana lamellae and stroma lamellis. These grana lamellis or sac-like structure lies one above the other, and these bundles of lamellae are interconnected by stroma lamellis. So these are stroma lamellis and this is stroma. Then the chloroplast has its own ribosomes also, and here the food is stored as starch granules are also present, and these are the lipids granule. So this is the structure of the chloroplast. Now before discussing the function of the chloroplast, I will like to discuss the summary of the photosynthesis. That photosynthesis is actually the process of preparation of food by the green plants in the form of starch by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And this can be written as in the form of equation C6H12O6, 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives you C6H12O6, 6CO2 and O2 in the presence of light and chlorophyll. Here this is the process, mainly the preparation of food, but here the oxygen is also formed as a byproduct. Now this whole process of photosynthesis can be divided into the light reaction and dark reaction, because it is a multi-step process. So all the metabolites which are being formed in this complete, it is not actually taking place in one step, it is taking place in many steps, and various metabolites are formed in this. So all those steps can be further divided as light reaction and dark reaction. So light reaction takes place in the grana lamellae of the chloroplast, and here the chlorophyll which is present in the grana lamellae, here the chlorophyll is present which traps the solar energy, and that solar energy is converted into the chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADH2. So this is the function of chlorophyll, and solar energy is there, because in this equation these two are there. So chlorophyll traps the solar energy, इन दोनों का काम हो गया, and this solar energy is converted into the chemical energy. So these two steps are there in light reaction. Now the two raw materials are there, carbon dioxide and water. So in first raw material, the water gets break down in the presence of light, and it is called as photolysis of water, which results into the formation of hydrogen ions and oxygen, so that this oxygen diffuse out through the stomata, and hydrogen ions which are formed here will be utilized in the dark reaction. So the product of light reaction are ATP and NADH2 and hydrogen ion, which will be used in the dark reaction. So the dark reaction is also taking place at daytime only after the light reaction, but in this the light is not used, hence it is called as light independent reaction. And in this actually the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate glucose by using the hydrogen ions and the energy produced in the light reaction. So that the product of light reaction are used in the dark reaction and product of dark reactions are used in the light reaction, but both the reactions are taking place at daytime only. Light reaction is taking place in grana lamella and dark reaction is taking place in the stroma lamella. And this all is written here in your book also, that in the light reaction the ATP and NADPH2 are formed in the membrane system, that is in grana lamella, and in dark reaction which is all catalyzed by the enzyme and carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. So that way these two light and dark reactions takes place. Light reaction takes place in the grana lamella and dark reaction takes place in the stroma lamella. So that way today we have discussed the structure of the chloroplast and the summary of photosynthesis, where does photosynthesis takes place. Thank you.